Hello friend. In this video lecture, we will discuss on example of eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix order 2 by 2. Here we have the two example. In first example, the first row is minus 2, 7. Second row is 2, 3. Let solution of first A is equal to minus 2, 7, 2, 3. So before proceed the example, let us discuss the working rule how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector. So first of all, consider the characteristic equation A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay. If the order of matrix is 2 by 2, so here I'm going to use the formula lambda square minus S1 lambda plus determinant is equal to 0, where S1 is sum of the diagonal element and this is determinant. Okay, after getting the S1 and determinant, substitute here, we get the values of lambdas, lambda 1 and lambda 2. We get the two roots here. Okay, these are the roots, these are the eigenvalues. After that, consider the consider the matrix equation. This is the characteristic equation. Now consider the matrix equation A minus lambda I into capital X. Capital X means X comma Y. Okay. Put the values of lambda here. We get its corresponding eigenvector. So this is the working rule for finding the eigenvalues and eigenvector. So first we consider the characteristic equation. Consider characteristic equation. Determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay. See, this is determinant minus 2, 7, 2, 3 lambda. Here identity matrix of order and A, it should be a same, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. It should be a 2 by 2 is equal to 0. That is, see here, lambda is multiplied here, lambda and lambda. Then the subtraction of these two matrices. So here 0, 0, the only the subtraction between the only diagonal element, that is minus 2 minus lambda 0. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. Here 7 minus 0, sorry, 7, 7 minus 0, 7, 2 minus 0, 2. Now 3 and here minus lambda is equal to 0. So here you can solve direct determinant, the product of this minus 2 minus lambda into minus lambda minus 2 into 7. Instead of that, you apply the formula lambda square minus S1 lambda plus determinant of A is equal to 0. Since S1 is a trace of the matrix, that is minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1, and the determinant is minus 2 into 3 minus 6 and 7 into 2 minus 14. So we get minus 20. Put S1 and determine equation 2, that is lambda square minus lambda and minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. So here we can find the eigenvalues using our traditional way. Otherwise through calci you will get immediate value. Here we find the two number whose product is minus 20 addition or subtraction is minus 5. That is lambda square minus 5 lambda, that is minus 5 into 4 minus 20, and minus 5 plus 4, that is minus 1. Okay, so adjust this term minus lambda, it can be written as minus 5 lambda plus 4 lambda minus 20 is equal to 0. Here lambda is common, lambda minus 5. Now here take 4 is common, then remaining here lambda minus 5. You can verify 4 is plus 4. 4 is multiplied here, 4 lambda and 4 into 5, that is 20. Here lambda minus 5 is common, lambda minus 5 is common. So here remaining only lambda, and here plus 4 is equal to 0. So lambda minus 5 is equal to 0 or lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. Then we get lambda is equal to 5 and minus 4. That is lambda 1 is equal to 5 and lambda 2 is equal to minus 4. We can verify. We know that addition of the roots is trace of the matrix. That is the trace of matrix is 1. It should be same addition of the roots. Okay. Now second verification is the product of the roots. Product of the roots means product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of matrix. So here the product of the eigenvalues 5 into minus 4 is equal to minus 20. See the determinant. Okay. Here we got the eigenvalues. Now let us find the its corresponding eigenvector. So for that we consider the matrix equation. Consider matrix equation. Matrix equation A minus lambda I into capital X is equal to 0. A minus lambda I we calculated here. See, this is the A minus lambda I. Okay. See next page. That is minus 2 minus lambda 7 2 and 3 minus lambda into x. X means x comma x y row vector, sorry, column vector is equal to 0 0. Say equation number 3. 1 2 3. Okay, put lambda is equal to first eigenvalue, put lambda is equal to 5 in equation number 3. Substitute here 5, then we get minus 2 and this minus here put 5, then minus 5, that is minus 7 7 here 2, and here put 5 3 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 x y is equal to 0 comma 0. Now see, these are the identical equation. Okay, if we calculate its echelon form, then we get the rank of this matrix is 1. Okay, rank is 1 and number of variables there are 2. Okay, in this case consider the only first equation, that is minus 7x plus 7y is equal to 0. Divide throughout 7, that is minus x plus y is equal to 0. Here the number of free variable is equal to n minus r, that is n number of variable 2 and rank of matrix is 1, so we get 1. Put y is equal to put y is equal to t, pre-variable, substitute y is equal to t, we get x is equal to t. Okay, when lambda is equal to 5, its corresponding eigenvector is equal to t comma t. We assume t as a 1 for our simplicity. Okay, otherwise take t is common. Now next, put lambda is equal to -4 in equation number 2, sorry, in equation number 3. Then we get here -4, and this when we put here -4 minus minus plus, -2 plus 4, that is +2, 7, 2, it become +2, +4, 3 plus 4, that is 7, x comma y is equal to 0, 0. So we get again same identical rows. So consider any one, that is 2x 7y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to t. Again we use the same. Here the rank of this matrix is 1, and number of variable 2, there exists pre-variable 1. We put y is equal to t. Then x is equal to it become -70 and 2 is divided. Okay, so when lambda is equal to -4, we get its corresponding eigenvector -7/2 t, and y is t. You can take t is common here, otherwise consider t as a 1, that is -7/2, and here 1. Okay, so these are the eigenvectors. So this is the first eigenvector and this is the second eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 5 and lambda is equal to -4 respectively. Okay, similarly we solve the second example. Let a is equal to 1 2 3 2. Say equation number 1. Consider characteristic equation, determinant a minus lambda I is equal to 0. In first example, we discussed the simplification of a minus lambda I, that is the subtraction between only a diagonal element. So here I am direct putting simplified value, that is 1 minus lambda 3 to 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. So you can direct solve this determinant, no problem. Otherwise, write the formula lambda square minus s1 lambda plus determinant is equal to 0. Here s1 is equal to sum of the diagonal element, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is nothing but the trace of the matrix, and determinant is 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 3 into 2 6, so we get -4. Substitute here lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now we find the two numbers whose product is -4, addition or subtraction is -3. Otherwise you can apply direct calc. Here the two number -4 into 1, we get what? Product is -4, and -4 plus 1 is equal to -3. Okay, we adjust this number in this polynomial. Lambda square minus 4 lambda plus lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. Here lambda is common. Lambda minus 4 is remaining, plus take 1 is common, then lambda minus 4 is remaining, in which lambda minus 4 is common. Here lambda is remaining and here plus 1 is remaining, is equal to 0. Lambda minus 4 is equal to 0 or lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. That is lambda is equal to 4 comma minus 1. Okay, that is lambda 1 is equal to 4, lambda 2 is equal to minus 1. Let us verify. See the trace is what we get 3 is same as addition of the roots. Roots means addition of eigenvalues, that is 4 minus 1. Yes, that is the 3. And the second verification is determinant, that is lambda 1 into lambda 2, that is 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. Yes, determinant is minus 4. Okay. Now let us find the its corresponding eigenvector. So for that, consider the matrix equation. Consider matrix equation A minus lambda I into vector capital X is equal to 0. That is 1 minus lambda 3 to 2 minus lambda. This is the simplification of A minus lambda time I into capital X. That is X, Y is equal to column vector, null vector of null column vector. Okay. Say equation number 2, put lambda is equal to first eigenvalue 4 in equation number 2. Then we put 4 here, that is minus 3, 2, put 4 here, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, x, y is equal to 0, 0. Now since here both are the identical equation, consider any one. I am considering first equation, minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 0. Divide through 3, that is minus x plus y is equal to 0. That is x is equal to y. And put y is equal to t. We get x also t. Substitute here y is equal to t. You will get x is t. When lambda is equal to 4, its corresponding eigenvector x y is equal to t. T is equal to, assume t as 1. Okay. Now next, so 1 1 vector, column vector is a eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 4. Now next, put lambda is equal to minus 2, minus 1, lambda 2 is equal to minus 1 in matrix equation. Then we get, put here minus 1 minus minus plus, that is 2 comma 3. Here 2 minus minus plus 2 comma 3, x y is equal to 0, 0. Again we get the here same identical row. Consider first equation 2x, the first row is multiplied to the column, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Put here y is equal to t. Y is equal to t. You can put x is equal to t, no problem. Then we get x is equal to here 2x plus 3t. It become minus 3t and 2 is divided, that is minus 3 by 2 t. When lambda is equal to when lambda is equal to minus 1, its corresponding eigenvector x2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 t, and y is equal to t. put t is 1 minus 3 by 2 1. Okay, so these are the eigenvector x1 and x2 corresponding to eigenvalues 4 corresponding to 4 and minus 1. Okay, thank you.